a alertas.
Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected. Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected.
Early earthquake warning. Early earthquake warning. Seismic alert since you got Juarez in El Paso and Dallas. Please be alerted. This notification is urgent. Please don't ignore this message. This could be your final moment. This could save lives. Thank you. And this earthquake is recorded in San Miguel of Cozumel, Mexico. And the seismic waves are pretty dangerous, so stay alert throughout the earthquake. Now more areas are getting involved. In this earthquake. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. No one could barely survive this earthquake. No one could survive this earthquake. This is your final moments. These are your final moments. Thank you. These are your final moments. These are your final moments. This is your final moment. These are your final moments. These are your final moments. These are your final moments. Earthquake detected. 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 Earthquake. 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 Earthquake.